The Grauer BF100 CNC concrete fiber system is used for economical manufacture of concrete steel fibers. With this system, up to 100 wires can be fed in and processed in parallel. A robust mill draws the wires directly from the wire reels through a straightening mechanism. Depending on the wire quality, a minimum rolling depth of 0.1 to 0.2 millimeter is required. Along this section, the wire feed-in length from the continuous feeder in the mill to the synchronized tool is regulated. While the wire is being bent and cut, the tool is closed. During this time, the wire infeed from the auxiliary feeder is stopped, and wire sag occurs. The auxiliary feeder pushes the wires into the tool of the punching machine in a synchronized manner. The wire feed-in length is directly entered in the control unit and implemented precisely by the servo motor of the feeder. Wire guides prevent the wires from buckling and ensure fault-free operation. In the first station, the wires are bent. This bending gives the concrete steel fibers the typical Z hooks that can then be anchored in the concrete. In the second station, the concrete steel fibers are cut to the correct length. The blades are made of carbide, thus ensuring a long service life. A conveyor belt carries the concrete steel fibers from the machine area. The system is powered by servo motors. Toothed belts ensure smooth, low-maintenance operation. The BF100 CNC is fitted with a modern control unit. The screen always displays the current status of the machine. The user is guided through the individual settings in the dialog. The CE conformity of the system ensures adherence to safety standards. In setup mode, the user is protected by a two-hand control unit with reduced production speed. Depending on wire diameter and cutting length, up to 600 kilograms of steel wire per hour can be processed into concrete fibers with the powerful BF100 CNC system. Grauer, your reliable partner for concrete fiber manufacture.